Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to do a practical and project part about the AWS Athena. What is AWS Athena? It is a serverless query engine. Okay, so this is one of the AWS service. So for taking example, suppose you have a file that is available in your AWS S3 location in your storage account. Now your requirement is you want to do a query on top of that. So with the help of AWS Athena directly you can do it. The advantage part is it is a serverless. So what about the scaling things and all, you do not have to worry. AWS itself will take care all the infrastructure things, everything AWS itself will take care. Now let us try to do a practical and let us try to understand more about it. Okay, so for taking an example, I have a data that is available in a S3 location. Suppose this is my S3 location, and what actually we are going to do, and my file is available in a CSV format. Okay, now what actually we will do, we will try to create one AWS crawler. Okay, with the help of AWS crawler we will try to create one table. We will create one glue crawler, and this glue crawler will go to the S3 location and it will create one table. Okay, now on top of that we will directly connect with the Athena and we will do a query and we'll try to do some kind of the analysis. Okay, so this is the agenda of this video. Let me open AWS S3 location. Okay, so this is my AWS console. What we will do, we will go to the S3 location. Okay, first I will try to create one bucket. So we have to give the bucket name. I will give any bucket name. Let me give Athena practical something bucket name I will give. Okay, after that I will put everything as it is. Okay, you have to select the reason, you have to select the whether bucket versioning things and all. As of now I am not doing because we are seeing about the projects, right? The test project, how actually we can perform Athena. So actually as of now I am not doing that. Okay, I will click on the Athena. I will try to upload a file. So once your bucket is created, right, this will look like this. Click on that and click on the upload file. Now we are going to upload a file. After that you can see this option add file. So click on this and we'll go to the our file. Where is our file? So let me upload any file. Okay, I will upload employee1 file. Okay, and after that click on the upload. If I will show you the file how actually it looks like this, our file looks like this. We have a username, salary, location, date and the attendance. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, now my file is uploaded. I have a AWS S3 location. Okay, I have a AWS S3 location. In this particular bucket I have this particular file. Now what actually I will do, I will go to the Athena. I will open a Athena, or before that I will open a glue crawler. So what we have to search, we have to search for the glue, AWS glue. Click on the AWS glue. Once you will click on the AWS glue, right, what we are going to do, we are going to create a crawler. Okay, how actually we can create a crawler? So you can see right in left side, if let's say in a data catalog option, click on the crawler. Okay, and click on the create crawler. What is the use case of the crawler? So suppose your file is available in S3 location. With the help of this crawler it will directly go to your S3 location and it will crawl your all the folders or your file, and based on that schema actually it will give the metadata information. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first crawler. So first give the crawler name. We will give Athena project something crawler name. Okay, click on the next. Data source. What is our data source? So we'll click on the added data source. Our data source is S3 location, so I selected the data source. If it is another, so you can select the Delta Lake and all also. I'll select the S3 only. Okay, now we have to select the S3 path. This is my S3 path, so I will select this particular path. Okay, now we have a different option, create all subfolders. So if you select all the subfolders, right, whatever the file, it will crawl all the data. Okay, so I will go with that and click on the add-on S3 data source. After that click on the next. We have to create a glue role. Okay, so I will click on the create new IAM role. Okay, so we are going to create one new IAM role, Athena project something I will give. So all the glue related policy actually it will get assigned. I will select that, click on the next. After that we have to click on the add a database. So what is our database? So we'll click on the add a database. We are going to create one new database. I'll give the database name also Athena. I'll click on the create database. Okay, again I will go, I will select the database from here, click on the refresh, click on the database. After that crawler schedule, you want to run on demand, hourly, daily, weekly basis. I will select the on demand only. Okay, click on the next, and this is all the property of the crawler. Click on the create crawler. Once you will click create crawler, one crawler will be created. So I will click on the crawler. Okay, click on the refresh. So this is the crawler which we have created. Now how actually you can run this? Click here and click on the run. Okay, now this crawler is running. So what actually it will do, it will go to my S3 location, because the S3 location we have selected, right? It will crawl my data and one table will be created which will give the metadata information. It will automatically detect the all the schema of my file. Okay, so that is the advantage of the crawler. Okay, let's complete. So we'll see one table will be created. So we have created one database also. Under that database one table will be created that will be having all the information about the metadata which we have in a S3 location. Okay, let's wait it to be completed. Now if you will see, one table got created, right? You can see table changes from last is one created. So in left side what we have to click, we have to click on the tables, click on the refresh. Okay, this is the table which got created. I will click here, and now if you see, this automatically detect the schema like user name, salary, location, date and attendance. It crawl my S3 location and it is giving me all the column and related to the data type also. The user, it selected integer, name selected string, salary integer, location string, date string, attendance string. Okay, so we do not have to do anything, crawler itself take care everything. Okay, now we have created one table. Now what actually I will do, we'll go to the Athena. Okay, now search for the Athena in the search bar, click Athena. Okay, once you will click Athena, this will look like this. What you have to do, first you have to select the data source. So what is our data source? We have selected the data source as a AWS data catalog. Database we have already created, right? That's why it is showing Athena. So in glue, right, we have a two option. Either you can directly use a S3 bucket and through which actually you can do a query, or you can use a AWS glue crawler. So in a AWS glue crawler, actually we are seeing in this video where we have created one crawler which actually crawl the data and created one table, right? And this is the table which we have available. Okay, or through a S3 also you can do, and you have to create one table. In this video we have seen like how actually with the help of the crawler we have created a table. Now how actually you can run, just if you can see, this is the table, right? Now if you want to run this particular table, click on the preview table and select star from this is a database name and this is the our table name. Now if you want to run, right, so now if you will see, we are not able to run it. Okay, before that what actually we have to do, click on the edit setting, and first you have to so you want to store your the query output location, right? So that actually you have to select. So I will select my this particular S3 location only. Okay, so this is the thing only you have to do, and click on the save. Once you will save, right, go to the editor. Now you will be able to see the run option. Just select this and click on the run. Okay, now it is successful. Now you are able to see, now you are able to do a query on top of that. Okay, now if you want to see like based on the location, what is the sum of salary, how actually you can write a query, select sum of salary. Okay, and grouping based on the location from this particular table. Okay, and group by location. If I will do, okay, I and if let me run it, now you will see the result. Now you can see the result. Okay, this is the sum of the salary based on the US, India. Okay, so you can write any kind of the query on top of it. Okay, so this is how actually we can do a setup through AWS glue crawler, and with the help of that, first we have to create a table, and on Athena we can directly do a query on top of that. Okay, I hope you got it. Thanks, that's it in this video.